This is a nice setup that, again, we have a decent close, and it gives us a much clearer entry signal. So we can buy it above 137.05. And if we look at the intraday, so we can see, just keep in mind again, the Swiss and the dollar Swiss, the pound Swiss, and the euro Swiss, they are kind of heavy. And this heaviness is because the Swiss is very closely correlated to gold, and there is a lot of movement in that. So you can expect that people hedge their gold position with the Swiss franc, and or hedge their Swiss franc with gold. So there is a lot of volatility, if you will, in the Swiss pair, especially now with what's happening in the gold. So that's why you could see the kind of heaviness in the price action that you see over here. Having said that, our buy, as I said, the 137. Let's see which is we're gonna buy it above 137.05, and there is no reason why to sell this baby unless it breaks below 136.40. So our long point is we're going to buy it above 137.05, and we're only going to short it below 136.40 because I wanted to take out these lows, not to stay above these lows. I wanted to break these lows before I actually buy it, because otherwise it's going to bounce back up again. Let's see our structure long. The next structure long is 139.23. Okay, so we have about 600 pips on the upside if it breaks above the high. So the structure point is the 139.23. And your structure short is still the same. It hasn't changed. It's actually, I think it has changed. No, it is the same, one and the same, still 133. There is a, I mean, I can't explain the difference now, but the 133.03 is still the structural short. Okay, and if we go long above the 137.05, we're going to place our stop right here below the market side at 136.86. Again, I want to make sure it stays above. I give it enough room. I don't want to be too tight on it because it's a heavy pair. And if I go short below 136.40, my stop is above the 136.80. Okay, that is the Euro Swiss. We're buying above the 137.05. We are placing our stop below 136.86, and the structure long is the 139.23. And if we're going to go short, we're going to only go short below 136.40, and we're going to place our stop right above the 136.80. And the structure short is about 300 pips away, which is the 133.03. This means that, again, it's a confirmation that the trend is still to the upside. All right.